it's roughly around 32 to 34 because the truck is built for street battling.
Yeah.
So it's the overall sound, bass, mids, highs, and tweets and everything.
Got it. Awesome. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. That was a great demo. Appreciate it. They got loads.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Tell me what's in here real quick with this open. Go ahead, man.
It's supposed to be 4 American-based Godfathers.
Okay.
On there's a VFL 20K back here. I think it's at a half ohm.
Right here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So this side is battery, or?
Well, I have a battery behind there, a DS18 80 amp hour.
Okay.
But I'm gonna switch it out pretty soon to 135 amp hour lithium, charging at 15.7.
Awesome. And what is this tuned to?
I think it's roughly around 32 to 34 because the truck is built for street battling.
Yeah.
So it's the overall sound, bass, mids, highs, and tweets and everything.
Got it.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around of his system. This was at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Looking forward to showing you all a 2-song demo. So he wasn't expecting to be on YouTube, but he got to meet with me at the show, and here we are. We're watching the video, and we're going to show you. Did have some pretty good shots of him playing down and probably to the teen frequencies on these demos he's going to give us. So if you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like. Did a really good job showcasing it at the show. I like the layout of everything. I couldn't see the big 20,000 watt amplifier he has to the left of he was talking about because it is hidden, and he still had some upgrades he was working on. So if you notice, he has his amplifiers mounted on the left and right side of his box, subs up, port back. That's a more of an optimal style system I've noticed a lot of SUVs are doing, subs up, port back, and then mounting the amplifier somewhere outside of on the box for vibration issues. So anyway, I'm going to get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy.
trying to soak you up, maybe learn something. I said I would never chase, but you keep on running. You know all my exes, you think I still do too. I just had to change my number, but I'll never lose. This car just ain't the same without you here next to me. All I wanna do is ride slow, ride slow, ride slow. Once again, I prove if I really wanna live. I just wanna hug and a kiss from my girl, but she mad that my best friend. And think when I'm in it, in a minute, cause I'm more than my friends, they just be far from each other. I just wish that we could try to back until we just for a minute, when it becomes so distant. It's been sunny outside and I'm hot in the bush in the rain. When the bills in the net, the wish, listen to the wind in the dead. Listen while I'm walking on this
You're good? Appreciate it, man. Thank you for the demo. Awesome. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. That was a great demo. Appreciate it. They got low, too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.